Hello everyone, apply some hair wax in the middle section of the hair, comb it and have the front of the middle section into two parts and borrow each strand of hair from the top of the middle section, making the ridges visible and making it go in between the braids gap. Continue doing it until you reach the bottom part of your hair and even at the back section. Then after that, do the braiding as normal as you would do and combine the braid along with the remaining section of the hair and comb it and harness the braid and pull it to the top and secure with a lovely hair clutcher. Apply some hair wax onto your hair and comb it and have it separated from the back section. Make a ponytail at the back. In the top of the middle section, split them into two parts and borrow each strand of hair from the front, making it go between the braids gap. Then do the braiding as normal as you would do until you empty every hair in the middle section. Then after that, braid as normal as you would do with the two parts. Then secure the end with the rubber and grab the top section of the hair at the back and have it into a ponytail. Do the ponytail, same with the section right below it and combine everything together. Apply some hair wax onto your hair, comb it and separate the back section and make a ponytail at the back. In the top of the middle section, separate into three parts and have a strip of hair borrowed from the front, having it go in between the braids gap. Continue doing it until you empty all the hair in the middle section and do the braiding as normal as you would do later on. Then after that, combine both the braids together and have it as a common tail and have it split them into two parts and have it braided. Then fold it into half and secure it there. A smooth bun and thinner braid. Apply some hair wax on the middle section of the hair, comb it, have a ponytail on the top section and have two ponytails which are tiny in the bottom and have it braided. Have a fluffy rubber band underneath the ponytail and have it split them into two and have it cover the entire hairband and have it secure with a little rubber band on top of it. Then with the remaining ponytail we have split them into two and have it braided and make it go underneath the bun and have it completely hidden and have it secure with a little hairband on top of it and a fluffy rubber band of course. Folded braids which are crisscrossed each other. Apply some hair wax in the middle section of the hair, comb it and the front of the middle section, make a ponytail. Have another ponytail with the section right at the back side of it and have it split them into three parts and braid it in a thicker manner. Then make the other braid and crisscross each other and have two ponytails at the bottom section and combine them with the braid and have that one braided as well and fold it to the top, secure a lovely hairband. Have a top strip of the ponytail into a braid, secure the top temporarily. With the bottom section, have a rubber band the top part of it and create a loop and drop the tail into it. Scrunch it to the top and bring the braid back, making a bow tie and secure it with a little rubber band and release the braid from the point, split them into two and have it braided and secure the end with the rubber band. Drop on your favorite hair clutcher and the bottom. Have a ponytail on the top section of the hair which has been separated diagonally and in the bottom section of the hair make 6 tiny thinner ponytails and have colorful strings attached to it at the bottom and have it braided in a two parts manner. And after that do the same braiding on the other tails and have them combine to each other at the bottom of the first ponytail at the top. Then with the ponytail we have at the bottom, have it split them into three parts and braid in a thicker manner and roll it into a bun, secure it there. Apply some hair wax in the middle section of the hair, comb it, make a lovely ponytail, split the tail into 4 equal parts and have a rubber band attach the top part, create a loop in the middle one, drop the tail into it, making it as a twisted band. Do the same for all the 4 tails and scrunch it to the center, making a lump and secure it there by having a little rubber band. Then have a rubber band attached in the middle part of the tail we combine and create a loop and drop the tail into it. Make the entire loop come around the lump we created and split the tail into 2 and have it twisted. Make it come underneath the bun and have it completely hidden underneath by dropping a little hairband, securing it further. Thank you everyone for watching this video.